बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं आशा करती हूँ आप लोग एकदम मज़े में होंगे। सो आइए नया टॉपिक लेते हैं। आज का टॉपिक है सेलिब्रेटिंग फेस्टिवल्स। तो आपको भी फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करना अच्छा लगता है ना? सब लोगों को मस्ती, मिठाइयाँ खाना, सबसे मिलना बहुत पसंद है ना आप लोगों को, मुझे पता है। सो बच्चों, आज हम इसी के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Identify the festivals we celebrate with a great pomp and joy and complete their names. ठीक है, आपको इनके नाम कंप्लीट करने हैं जो भी फेस्टिवल आपको लगता है. सपोज होली, सो राइट द लेटर्स विच आर मिस्ड. A festival is a day of celebrating an important event. Festival is a time of enjoyment, fun and frolic. They foster a feeling of love and brotherhood in us. We clean and decorate our homes on festivals. Thus, festivals give a new and fresh look to our homes, and festivals are of two types, that is religious festivals and national festivals. Okay? सो पहले हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में. नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स लाइक इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे एंड गांधी जयंती आर सेलिब्रेटेड कंट्री वाइड. पूरे देश में मनाए जाते हैं. ऑल द स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज ऑफ द कंट्री सेलिब्रेट दैम एंड ऑन नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स इट इज़ अ नेशनल हॉलीडे ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. सब लोगों की छुट्टी होती है. फर्स्ट वी विल रीड अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंस डे. Okay, so our country became independent on 15th August 1947. This day is celebrated as Independence Day every year. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort in Delhi. He delivers a speech about the country's development in various fields during the year. On this day, we pay homage to those brave people who fought for the freedom of our country. यानी हम शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. Republic Day. Our country became republic on 26 January 1950. Our constitution came into force on this day, and this day is celebrated as Republic Day every year. The Republic Day parade is organized at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. The President of India is greeted with salute by the soldiers of the Republic Day parade. The heads of the state of other countries are also invited as the chief guests to attend the function. The armed forces like Air Force, Navy and Army, these armed forces and public personnel, school children, tableau from different states and decorated elephants participate in the parade. Bravery awards are given, by the President of India to the children who have shown extraordinary bravery. जिन्होंने अपनी बहादुरी को अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर, यानी अपनी जान से ज़्यादा अपने उनको बचाना सही समझा, तो उस तरह की ब्रेवरी के लिए उन्हें अवार्ड दिया जाता है. Gandhi Jayanti, it is an event which is celebrated in India to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year as a national holiday. Mahatma Gandhi dedicated his life to the freedom of the nation and advocated the path of peace, truth and non-violence. Yes, अहिंसा के पुजारी थे, सच्चाई के पुजारी थे. This day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence by the United Nations. Religious festivals, these festivals are related to religion like Holi, Diwali and Dussehra are the main Hindu festivals. Guru Purab is a Sikh festival. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Zuha are the main Muslim festivals, and Christmas is the main festival of the Christian peoples. Holi, this is the festival of colors. On Holi, all men and women and children play with colored powder called gulal and colored water. आप भी खेलते हैं गुलाल के साथ और पानी के साथ, right? At this time of the year, wheat, gram, mustard and millet crops are ready to harvest. Dussehra. This festival celebrates the victory of good over evil. बुराई पर सच्चाई की जीत. This festival is also called Vijayadashmi, and it is believed that Lord Rama killed Ravana on this day, and during this period, Durga Puja is held in West Bengal and in some other states of India. Raksha Bandhan, this is the festival, marks the most sacred bond between brothers and sisters. On this occasion, sister ties a rakhi, sacred thread, एक तरह का धागा होता है ना, on her brother's wrist. She prays for the longevity and well-being of her brother, and the brother vows to protect her. Sister gets gifts from her brother as a blessing. आपके यहाँ भी ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है और आपको कैसा लगता है ये फेस्टिवल मनाते हुए? अच्छा लगता है? दिवाली, इट इज़ कॉल्ड द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. यस, फेवरेट फेस्टिवल ऑफ एवरीवन. रोशनी का त्यौहार. इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड थ्रू आउट इंडिया. लक्ष्मी द गॉडेस ऑफ वेल्थ इज़ वर्शिप्ड ऑन दिस डे. यस बच्चों, इस दिन पर माँ लक्ष्मी की पूजा की जाती है. अदर लैम्प्स, कैंडल्स एंड लाइट्स आर यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट दिस ओकेजन. The houses are cleaned and whitewashed. During this season, paddy and sugarcane are ready for harvesting. So ये दिन किसके लिए खास नहीं होता? सब के लिए. मिठाइयाँ बांटने के लिए आप जाते हो, अपने रिश्तेदारों से मिलते हो, घरों को साफ करते हो, है ना, और घरों को सजाते हो. दियों से सजाते हो ना, मोमबत्तियों से, दियों से. सो ये फेस्टिवल सबका प्यारा फेस्टिवल है. Knowledge booster. Various other festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Teej, Shivratri, Muharram, Milad-e-Nabi, Navratri, Chhat Puja and Bihu are celebrated in different states of India. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha, this is the festival these are the festivals which are most important festivals of Muslims. These are celebrated all over the world. Special namaz, yani prayer, is offered in the mosques, and after the prayer people embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. Gifts, sweets and greetings are distributed among friends and poor. Christmas, this is the birthday of Jesus Christ and this is celebrated on 25th December every year throughout the world. Christmas tree is decorated in every home. Prayers are held in churches. Children believe that Santa Claus, यानी Father Christmas, brings gifts for them. आपके लिए गिफ्ट लाए हैं कभी? Santa Claus? Okay. Carolers sing festive songs, carols, and people attend special church services to celebrate this occasion. Mahavir Jayanti, this is the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Is this day we celebrate the birthday of Lord Mahavira as Mahavir Jayanti, and it is one of the most important religious festival in Jainism. Mahavir Jayanti is observed through religious processions, prayers, chants and sermons. Buddha Purnima, this is also known as Vesak or Buddha Day, commemorates the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Buddha, Gautam Buddha. This sacred day falls on the full moon day of the Vesak month, typically in April or May, and on this day Buddhists worldwide celebrate with processions, chanting, meditation and lighting lamps and candles. Guru Purab, this is the festival celebrated in the honor of all 10 Sikh Gurus, religious leaders called Gurus. Processions are taken out on the eve of Guru Purab, special prayers are held in Guru Dwaras, and a big mass meal called Guru Ka Langar is an important part of every Guru Purab. Yes बच्चों, जो एक प्रसाद बनाया जाता है गुरुद्वारे में और सब लोग बैठ के इकट्ठे बैठकर खाते हैं, तो उसको बोला जाता है गुरु का लंगर. लंगर एक प्रसाद को लंगर बुलाया जाता है. नाउ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन बच्चों. टीचर्स डे, इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 5th September. आप विश करते हो अपनी टीचर को ऑन दिस डे? Okay, so this is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birthday of second president, Dr. Radhakrishnan. This day recognizes the dedication and hard work of teachers who shape young minds, fostering knowledge and ideas. Try to answer बच्चों. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Now, Children's Day. Yes, it is celebrated on 14th November and it is the birthday of, yes, our Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was affectionately known as Chacha Nehru. बच्चे उन्हें चाचा नेहरू कहकर बुलाते थे. This day emphasizes the importance of children's rights, education and overall development. Now let's wrap up. चलिए, चैप्टर तो आपने अच्छे से सुन लिया. चलिए एक बार फिर से रिकॉल करते हैं. A festival festival is a day of celebrating an important event. Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day are our national festivals. Diwali, Guru Purab, Christmas and Eid are the religious festivals. We also celebrate the birthdays of some great people like Gautam Buddha and Lord Mahavira. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day on 5th September. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November every year. तो बच्चों, इसके बाद है आपकी बारी. Let's have a look on check point. A part, tick the correct answer. तो देखिए इसमें से कौन सा आंसर आपको करेक्ट लगता है. Fine. Now we have the next question. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the help box. तो एक help box आपको दिया गया है. देखिए जो ये words है किस sentence को कौन सा word suit करता है. C part, write T for true and F for false statement. तो कुछ statements false हैं, कुछ true हैं. आप उनको accordingly read करिए और लिखिए. Answer the following questions. ये questions आपके chapter में से आपके लिए निकाले गए हैं. इनके answers भी chapter में available हैं. Read the question, get the answer and write it in the notebook. Thoughts on a political outline map of India show the states in different colors to locate the state where these festivals are celebrated. Pongal, Ganesh Chaturthi, Onam. Source-based questions. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated countrywide. All the states and union territories of the country celebrate them. On these festivals, it is a national holiday all over India. Read the questions and answer them. Value-based question, life skill. How do the festivals help family members feel closer to and support each other? कैसे ही हम एक दूसरे के पास लाते हैं, एक दूसरे से प्यार को बढ़ाते हैं और एक दूसरे की को सपोर्ट करने की हमें प्रेरणा देते हैं. About our country, who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. Project activity बच्चों, make a list of festivals that are celebrated in your family and collect pictures of different festivals and paste them in your scrapbook. And while doing this activity बच्चों, have fun, enjoy.